So today we will discuss in this session about Material Master. There is a most important topic in material management module. For every transaction we need a master data, and in a master data Material Master has a significant role. Okay, there is a different view of Material Master data. First one is basic data, next one is material planning, stocks in plant, storage location, accounting view, there is a storage view, there is warehouse management, there is a purchasing view, there is a sales and distribution view, there is a work scheduling, quality management, forecasting, classifications. Okay, these are the different view which is available in Material Master data. I'm just showing in practical. We have to go to the logistics, material management, and Material Master, material. Here the create journal, and click on this one, MM01. Once we click on this transaction, okay, okay, once we click on the MM01 or create material transaction menu, sorry, here the some field available in this screen. This is the material number, here the material code tab, and here next one is the industry sector. We can control the screen view with the help of this industry sector. Okay, some of the view of this screen will directly depend on the industry sector. Like there is a different n number of screen sector available, but some of the standard industry sector which is provided by the SAP standard system, like beverage, okay, like food and related product, H industry sector, IT sector. Okay, mostly we work in mechanical engineering. It is manufacturing related screen view, and next to it it is called material type. There is a different of material type, and it will depend on the material classification or material category, so that we can control the material view with the help of the material type. Okay, like as we talk about the raw material, we don't need the sales view for the raw material type of the material, so we can control that view with the help of the material type. Okay, like there is a different material type which is provided by the SAP standard, and there is a standard material type available in this screen. We just, like for finished goods it's called FERT, and next to it, if we check about the raw material is called ROH. There is a semi-finished material type also available, it's called HALB in SAP. So we are checking about the raw material, and the standard raw material type is called ROH. This one. Okay. Once we select it and press enter, we can also maintain material number externally, or we can also maintain the material number internally. Externally means we can enter here material number as per our requirement or as we desire. Okay, we can also maintain alphabetic, or we can also maintain with the prefix. There is a maybe there is a client requirement, they need to create their material master with the some of prefix, so they can identify that material easily, or where that material belong, or maybe they have a number of plant or company code, so that they can prefix on that material number with as their plant location or maybe anything else, or they can also maintain it with the suffix. Once I just entered, here is the different view which is controlled by the material type. Okay, like basic data, it has some basic information. One I will just show you. Like I don't need work scheduling here, I just need some important screen type or view, like accounting and purchasing and basic, or general storage. Okay, once I click on enter button, it is asking to me for plant, because I just select the accounting view. So what is our plant name? Number is 989. I think 989 or something else. We can go with the search button. Yes. So once I click enter and select the view as per my requirement, here is the basic data 1, basic data 2, purchasing, accounting and storage data. Okay, here is the plant IV80 and the storage location. You can search here. IV80 raw. IV80 raw. Okay. Then click enter. This is the basic view tab. Here you can see the material number already given by the SAP. How it will come in this picture? It is decided by the background setting, and it deciding by the help of the material type. We can assign the field in material type and number range to the material master data. Okay, I will show you this. Just a second. Just I give you some other example. We can put here some text like raw material 1. Here is the unit of measurement. What is the unit of measurement? It will decide how can we going to procure this material. What is the unit of measurement? Is it numbers, or is it each, or is it in weight, maybe kg or grams, so on so on. Okay, so here we can select the unit of measurement. Like I'm just you can also select by clicking on this button, and it will show you all the available unit of measurement which is available in this system. We can also find with the help of the find button.